Didn't I tell y'all that we were going to start back cash stuffing in 2024? Hey y'all, this is Rachelle and welcome back to my channel, Rachelle's Plans. Thank you for joining me for another video. And in today's video, y'all, we are doing our first cash stuffing of 2024. And if you want to see this cash stuffing, then just keep on watching. Y'all, on my channel, I discuss planning, fragrance, body care, and budgeting. And if those are things that interest you, please consider subscribing to my channel, clicking that like button, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So, y'all, I am so excited to be doing this cash stuffing. Y'all just don't know. It has been a while since I've actually stuffed my wallet. So I am excited. And we're just going to get right into it. So y'all, here is and I'm sorry about the glare and over here as well. But y'all, got my cash tray here. I've got my calculator in case I need it. I got my little deco. My budget planner and my pouch here that I take to the bank. And let's just take our money out. And y'all, we're going to be stuffing $138 today. You might say, well, that might not be a lot to y'all, but it's a start. And y'all, look, I got this 2024 pocket calendar. I don't know why I got this. Because it was free. I am a sucker for just getting free stuff, y'all. So I might give this to Dion. I might just keep it in my purse. But why do I need this when I got a calendar on my phone and I have my on-the-go planner? But y'all, anyway, this is my 2024 pocket calendar. Why do I need that? I don't even know. I used to carry those when I was a kid. So y'all, well, not a kid, when I was much younger, like in junior high and high school. Okay, so y'all, let's count our money. So I'm supposed to have $138. So we got 20, 40, 60, 80, 91, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 37, $38. All right, so y'all, let's put our money over here in the cash. I won't say the cash drawer. What is this called? The cash tray. And y'all, let me just tell you this. Let me just say something encouraging. It doesn't matter where you start. I know someone commented on my previous video of I spent all of our money. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it here in the cards. Check it out. But somebody commented saying they had a similar situation to me and had to use a lot of their reserve money. And they're just now getting back started saving after I think a year and a half. Y'all, it doesn't matter when you start. Just start. Even if it's like $5, $10, just start. Like Nike says, just do it. All right, so we've counted our money here. We have it here in the cash tray. And y'all, look at my little ghetto cash thing here, teller slip. Y'all, it's so ghetto. But anyway, that's when I calculated everything that I needed from working up my paycheck budget. This is what I had after I did my cash planning. I had this on a little sticky note here from Planning Thing. And hey, this is what I told the teller when I went in. And so, look, it worked. That's all we needed. That's all we needed to know. Or that's all she needed. Do I even need this here? I don't know. Let's see. You know what? I'm going to put it to the side. Yeah, I'm a little rusty. I haven't done this in a while. In about almost 2 years. I'm just going to put this over here to the side. I don't know if I need my calculator, but hey. And what we're doing today is we are stuffing my purse wallet or my everyday carry. And I'm going to be stuffing my 52-week savings challenge. So here is my wallet, and we're going to start with Eat Out. Now you'll see that I have a lot of envelopes in here. I'm not stuffing every envelope. I'm only stuffing certain ones. I am stuffing Eat Out, and Eat Out is getting $25, and that is 2 tens, both of my 10s and a 5. So that's 10, 25. Now these envelopes here I got from All Things Planned. She is on YouTube, and she does have, I think she's still on Etsy. I know she has her on her own website. So if I remember, I will put the link to her website in the description box. Okay. So Eat Out had 25. We are not stuffing gas because Dion puts gas in my car. We are stuffing Household, and Household is getting 25, which is 120 and 15. Y'all, yes, my wallet is ghetto right now because I have 2 types of cash envelopes. Now, I needed to add, I think I added 3 envelopes that I didn't have that was in this format. And I got these, 2 or 3 years ago. So you know what? I went to my stash and I was like, you know what? I'm going to use what I have and use these here. They work just as fine. They will work just as well. So Household got $25. Okay, next is Spending, and Spending is getting 50, and that is 2 tens and 2 20s. So 2 tens, no, 2 fives for $50. So we have 20, 40. I got too many fives. We got 20, 40, 5, and 50. And these fives are raggedy, y'all. Now, this is going to be a quick cash stuffing, but hey, just start. I don't care where you are in your journey. Just start. If it's $5, hey, it's $5 saved, then not saved. Okay, so Spending got 25. Toiletries is getting 20, and that is 120. So we've used all of our 20s. Look how that is torn. Use all of our 20s and all of our 10s. Y'all, look at this. You see how I repurposed this envelope, how I had miscellaneous on here. I just took my label maker and put it in. I took my label maker and made a label for toiletries, and here we are. I can see clearly that says toiletries. Okay, and so we're not putting we don't have anything to put in deposit. We don't have anything for giving or groceries. Dion also bought groceries, so that's everything for my wallet. And next, we are going to stuff our 52 weeks savings challenge. Now, I am catching up. If you're wondering, this binder also I bought from All Things Planned. I don't know if she still has these. These were, like I said, released years ago, maybe 2 years ago. So I don't know if she still has them available, but check it out. Check out her shop. Okay, got my tracker there. So we're doing weeks 5 to catch up. Okay, so that's a 5 that we need, and we're doing week 6. So that is $6, so 6. Okay, and then we're also doing week 7. So mark that out, and that is $7, a 5, and a $2 bill. So we have that there. We're gonna put this back in the envelope. Okay. Alrighty. So this is a total of $18. So we have $5, $10, $15, $17, $18 for the 52-week savings challenge. And now we are all caught up. So for next week, when I get paid, all I'm going to have to take out is $8 because we're all, like I said, we're all caught up. So y'all, like I said, this was a short cash stuffing, short cash stuffing video, but I stuffed it, stuffed my wallet, stuffed my 52-week savings challenge, and y'all, we are done. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at Playing with Rachelle, and thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.